Hey y'all, Diamond Lou here, trying to get some video out from Tropical Storm Beta coming into the Galveston Bay area. So got a quick shot here. This was an airplane that crashed a couple weeks back. You can see the wheels sticking up out there, a little white spot. But these pilings I wanted to show you is from a normal day on the water here. And at the end of the video coming up, you'll be able to see where we're at right now with Tropical Storm Beta. Y'all be safe. Yeah, it's getting up there a little bit now. I'm starting to see a little storm surge. This is a pretty aggressively high tide. The top of our dock is actually under the water there. That's the bulkhead and the grass and the sidewalk and people's houses. Pier out there that you see about 6 inches of it, that's usually about 5 feet out of the water. Waves are breaking up against it. Oh, don't want to lose my hat. Sorry guys. I'm wearing a $100 leather hat. I don't want to lose it in this wind. Buddy Brian Treybeek's boat. Somebody coming in. Terrible timing for that. And it looks like the next rain band's coming in, so I'm going to go get in my boat and get dry. So there you go, guys. There's the first little bit of storm surge we're seeing in the Kemah, Clear Lake area. That's the Kemah Bridge over there. I'm going to zoom in for you. There's the Kemah Bridge. Heads out to the Galveston Bay.